लेकिन इस वक्त वेंकैया नायडू क्या कुछ कहना है, सीधे आपको वहीं लिया चलते हैं।
अपना भूमिका निभाने के लिए मैं पूरा कोशिश करूंगा और सबको साथ लेकर आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रयास करूंगा। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम humbled by the honor bestowed on me by electing me to the office of the Vice President of India, and by virtue of which I will also be acting as the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha. I am grateful to the honorable members of the Parliament belonging to different political parties who, in an overwhelming manner, have supported my candidature, cutting across party lines. I am really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, to the BJP President, Sri Amit Bhai Shah, to the leaders of the various NDA constituents, and also the parties which are not part of the NDA, AIDMK, Palaniswamy, AIDMK, OP Pannirselvam, or TRS, Telangana Rashtra Samiti, led by Sri Chandrasekhar Rao ji, then YSR Congress of the Andhra Pradesh, who are all kind enough to extend their support to me. I am also thankful to the Indian National Lok Dal, which is not a constituent of the NDA, but still they have extended their support also to me in this election. I am thankful to all of them because they have all considered and bestowed me with this great responsibility. I feel particularly overwhelmed by this honor conferred on a common man like me with a background of agriculture, farmer. Getting to this August 1st is an important milestone in India's democratic journey. This speaks for the beauty and strength of our parliamentary democracy. Getting a son of a farmer to this August office of the second highest position as far as the Constitution is concerned. Parliament is the highest forum of our democratic polity, which is to enable socio-economic development of our country through necessary legislative measures for bettering the lives of the people of India. As the Chairman of Rajya Sabha, I will sincerely try to steer the functioning of the House to enable it to effectively further the larger interests of the nation. I will uphold the dignity and decorum of the House with the cooperation of all members by acting as per the rules of the House procedure and also the conventions that were set by the President, set by our great leaders who have all members of the Rajya Sabha and who have presided over the upper house earlier. It shall be my endeavour to enable every member of the House makes a meaningful contribution towards addressing the issues being faced by our nation. Once again, my humble pranams to all the people of the country and also particularly to the members of the Parliament belonging to different political parties. From today onwards, of course, from the day I filed my nomination, I am non-party man. I will try to take everybody along with me and I will try to live up to the expectations of the people. Thank you. Namaskar. Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद करते हुए वेंकैया नायडू भारत के नवनिर्वाचित उपराष्ट्रपति हैं। इन्हें 11 तारीख को शपथ दिलाई जाएगी और उसके पहले आज जब इनकी जीत हुई है उसके बाद सभी का धन्यवाद करते हुए साथ ही साथ आज एक बार फिर वो ये दोहराना नहीं भूले कि वो एक किसान परिवार से ताल्लुक रखते हैं और इसके साथ इन्होंने ये भी कहा कि मैं पार्टी में नहीं हूं, लेकिन मुझे जो जिम्मेदारियां दी गई हैं उनको मैं बखूबी निभाने की पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, सबको साथ लेकर बढ़ूंगा और हर उम्मीद पर खरा उतरूंगा।